My name is Farah Charafeddine. I come from Lebanon, and I am the founder of HERZ Medical Engineering company. We are developing a cardiac assist device that takes the functionality of the heart when the heart is too weak to do its job. Well, I applied for startup Istanbul many years ago when they were in the start process, but I didn't have any prototype yet, and it was like a mandatory condition for getting into the final 100. So I did my homework and then I applied this year, and here I am. Being a finalist among 100 startups that made it to the selected ones among the first 93,000 startups applying for the program. Of course, I'm very happy, I'm very proud of my team, and I really look forward to what's after Startup Istanbul, because I'm sure that what's before is not the same as what's after. Well, the good thing about that I was contacted by investors even before pitching. That was really surprising for me and really a good thing, because we were like followed up from the start of the program, I think since 6 months ago, and we were doing lots of mentorship sessions. So Startup Istanbul was really making us ready to be on stage, and it's not about being on stage, it's about all this process. And I was really surprised and happy that I was contacted by investors even before the pitching, and after that it was really a big number of investors contacting me, so I have a hard job. Of course, being the only startup from Lebanon, I really urge Lebanese startup to apply for Startup Istanbul, because it's really a quality event, and all the 100 startups were really on a high standard of quality and team. So of course, I encourage everyone to apply to Startup Istanbul. It's an amazing experience, really. It's not about everyone in every gender. There are really people who have the talent, but they need the support. So I think that having more female founders now is not about that there wasn't any good female, now they are doing better. It's about the support and exposure. And I think lately in the last few years, there have been so much support for women, women in science, women in innovation, technology. So, and I'm really happy to be among the 4 ladies. I just want to thank you everyone for all the opportunity, and they really made a big effort in that. And it's really a worth, how do we say it? It's a worthy experience, yeah. Actually, just being in Istanbul is I love Istanbul. It's really a thing that makes me happy. And Startup Istanbul was like a cornerstone to the future. So I'm looking forward to that.